Tired of dealing with bad topology after importing models? In this Blender topology tutorial, we solve the core problem of messy topology by performing a professional tri-to-quad conversion on a high-poly car model. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Quadify Premium add-on for Blender. Once you have imported your model, the first step is to switch your viewport to shading mode. This allows you to inspect the mesh topology clearly. As you can see here, the current model is heavily triangulated. Every part of the car's body is made up of tris, which can be difficult to work with for clean modeling or UV unwrapping. The goal is to convert this mesh into clean quads. It's a very straightforward process. Let's begin. First, select the object you want to adjust. In the Quadify menu, locate and click the Convert to Quads button. You will notice an immediate change as the messy triangulation is replaced by a more organized quad-based structure. We will continue this process for each individual part of the car. Simply select the next section and apply the Convert to Quads command. While this operation can be performed on the entire model at once, I recommend doing it piece by piece. This ensures greater accuracy and allows you to monitor how the topology is being recalculated. Moving on to the lower panels and fenders, select, then convert. You can see how much cleaner the wireframe becomes. We'll systematically work our way through the entire vehicle piece by piece. This methodical approach is key to maintaining a high-quality mesh. The reason I prefer working one by one is for total control. It allows us to verify that the curvature and detail of the car are perfectly preserved as the polygons are restructured. Next, we'll convert the roof in the rear sections. Notice how even the complex edges of the windows are handled seamlessly. It's much easier to edit this type of geometry later. The top section is still triangulated, so let's apply the conversion there as well. Now we have a uniform quad flow across the upper body. We'll finish up by selecting the wheels and the remaining side panels. Convert and convert. We are quickly turning a high-poly tri-mesh into a production-ready quad mesh. And with that, we have finished the main body of the car. The transformation is complete. Finally, if we switch back to our standard view, you'll see that while the underlying topology has improved significantly, the overall shape and visual quality of the model remain identical. The mesh is now optimized and ready for further work. Thanks for watching.